Can you believe that you have made it to section 4.10, our final section, which is on cell aging and death? How exciting! Here are our learning objectives. This will be a short section. Now, when we talk about the aging process, this is a normal, continuous process with obvious body signs. It is not obvious at a molecular level. We see reduced metabolic function of our normal cells and a reduced ability to maintain homeostasis. So we'll start to see a lower number of normal functioning cells or some that have abnormal functioning. So here are some examples of at least a visual of an aging cell versus our normal cells. And of course, if we start to see some of their structure changing, we know their function is going to change as well. So we see that there are alterations in structure or a number of the organelles that we would find within our cells. We can also start to see some changes in structure of chromatin and chromosomes. So cell death can take place through two mechanisms. It could be killed by harmful agents or mechanical damage, or it could be induced by our body to commit suicide. And this is called apoptosis, which is a programmed cell death. So we could see the cell here develops into this membrane blebbing and a nuclear collapse where we get apoptotic body formation. Our apoptosis is occurring in this orderly, continuous steps, and it destroys and removes cellular components and cell remnants. It's initiated by the ligand receptor signaling that we talked about in our previous sections. Our actions are initiated by enzymes during apoptosis. So we will have destruction of the DNA polymerase, digestion of DNA, digestion of the cytoskeleton. We'll start to see condensation of the cytosol and destruction of organelles, formation of those blebs or bubbles that we saw in this previous photo, and then initiation of other signals to stimulate destruction of the cell. And programmed cell death is going to occur in order to promote proper development by removing tissue between fingers of developing limbs in the womb, or it could be done to remove harmful cells in our body. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know.